Hello.
Hello there. So okay, we have a 5-gallon bucket, but this isn't your ordinary 5-gallon bucket. This thing's got
Chronic.
chronic in there. A little Dr. Funk in there. No, this has got like a kind of like a zip tie idea to it. So this is like, you know, your latch, your release, and it'll just sit in here and click. Check it out. And just tight. No water coming out of there, no nothing. See? Pretty sick. Boom.
You can hear it click.
Yep. So this is like primarily used for hazardous materials. If it were to come off of a pallet or something, the lid cannot come off.
Nice thing about it, sealed up inside the van, you don't smell it.
Nice. Yep. See that lid?
What you do when you open the lid, though.
A little gasket in there. Where do you get these? Do you know?
I don't know. It's made in Mexico.
Okay, so just go to Mexico, pick one of these
Haven't
up.
found it yet. Haven't really spent time online.
M&M Industries Incorporated, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Tennessee. So that's where the lid comes from, anyway.
Well, no, that's where the company that has it manufactured in Mexico is.
Okay.
But the bucket itself is made in Mexico.
Okay.
Let's see. Put
Yeah,
the lid
I
on
saw
so we can flip it upside down. Get info off of the bottom.
Pretty cool. It's like the best 5-gallon bucket in the world. You know?
If you need a heavy duty one, that's it.
Yep. Hey.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's like meant, like you're saying, if it falls, to not let it just crush.
Yeah. It's not breaking.
Yeah, it's not breaking. Heavy duty.
It seals so well you could use it upside down and mount a freaking 6-inch net putt right here.
Yeah, no kidding.
A little more balance.
Cool.